On a dark and rainy night, Jane was walking alone in a dark forest. As she was walking, she heard strange noises coming from around her, but she forced herself to ignore them and move forward. Then, suddenly, a strange figure appeared in front of her. It was a strange figure wearing a black coat and a scary mask. She approached her with heavy steps, and as Jane tried to escape, she found herself trapped between the dark trees. Suddenly, the strange figure vanished before her eyes. There was only terrifying silence, and then Jane heard footsteps approaching her from every direction. She was trembling with fear and knew that she would not get out of this forest alive.